M+A Architects has around 60 employees. We're involved in 8 to 10 different sectors, but we now have 3 offices, one here in Columbus, Ohio, one in Cincinnati, Ohio, and then one in Russia. We're taught to think in color, design in color, work in color.
Life is in color. Everything happens in color. My world revolves around color.
When it comes down to production of drawings, the typical is that we're producing black and white drawings that go out to a job site. One of our biggest areas that we tend to lose a lot of cost is during the construction phase. And a lot of it has to do with contractors not being able to interpret our drawings correctly.
Traditionally, your plans would come in black and white here. Okay, you'll have all your walls will generally look the same, all your flooring types will look the same, and then you'll have these little coded notes on here. So whether that wall over there goes to the structure above, whether it goes just to the ceiling, or whether it's a little 5-foot knee wall on there, they all look the same. I got to take it from these plans and turn it into something real here.
We'll get a phone call from a contractor saying, hey, I don't understand what's on this drawing. It's pointing to 15 different things, but I just want to make sure it's going in the right place. So you end up having a couple-hour meeting to sit down, and oftentimes you'll sit there with a marker and end up coloring up a plan just in order to communicate to a contractor who wants to think in color too. He's building in color.
The biggest advantage to color on mechanical plans is that you can overlay the drawings.
If you have color when you're going through mechanical, electrical, plumbing plans, that can give you the ability to put everything on the same sheet.
So when you can put a color palette together for them and convey it in some 3-dimensional fashion, they get it.
With some of my customers, the idea of moving from monochrome to color, it hurts their head. It scares them to think about doing something different. And when the sets come out of our machine in color, it's such an obvious, better way of doing it. Once you see it, once you try it, once you take the step to go that direction, it's obviously better.
As architects, as with any industry, time is money. We're always trying to get things out as fast as possible, right when our clients want them, and up until now, color has not been cost effective.
The print quality on the ColorWave 900 is fantastic. It's dropping so much ink. The coverage is beautiful. The fills are beautiful.
We have the ability to do color every day. We can call an hour before a large presentation and expect to have several dozens of drawings of color to present, just for an everyday occurrence or a job site meeting or an impromptu get-together with a client. And we didn't have that ability before. The bottom line for the owner is that they are not having as many mistakes out on the job site. I don't know of a single mistake that has happened on a job site that doesn't cost you at least $1,000.
And so if I can get things right the first time, that's worth its weight in gold.
And that's music to our partners' ears.
I think the message to all architects is break out of the mold of always having to communicate in black and white.
Canon Solutions America has been a tremendous partner. We count on them to bring to us new and great inventions and technology that we can bring to our customers. I love meeting with my customers to tell them something new. It's been 20 years since I've been able to come to your office and share with you something that we can do better, and we can help you do your job better. It's fun. It's fun again. It's fun to be relevant again. It's fun to be at the table and to talk about these things with our customers.